Hello, my name is Valentina Alfonso Roa. I am 24 years old. I am going to talk to you about my experience in veterinary care. I have a passion for animals. I have like cows and horses. The subjects that seemed difficult to me were two, anatomy and pathology. A lot of commitment and dedication is required. The subject of anatomy studies organs and the difficulties bones of animals required a lot of memory. And the subject of the pathology studies how the disease occurs in the body of the animals is very complex to understand ultrasounds and surgeries. I used to help many extreme animals before studying veterinary medicine, but I realized that it is dangerous because of all the disease they transmitting. I used to reading a lot about zoonotic diseases. Food safety seems important too because the use can contribute to guaranteeing safe food for human consumption. This career requires a lot of the and dedication, with why I have to be great professionals to help the animals. I am open to working in animal shelter plant, where I have learned the importance of health from the moment the animals is in person to the discomfort of animals in meat. I have 24 workers with I teach them the importance of producing an innocuous quality product. Bye bye.